When you look into the eyes of a hungry stray dog, you do not just see an animal, you see a soul begging for kindness. Today I meet a weak and innocent dog on the roadside, and what happened next will truly touch your heart. As I stood near this stray dog, I noticed how fragile and innocent he was. His tail wagged softly as if he was showing love despite the struggle of hunger. That small gesture of affection immediately touched my heart. In my hand, I was carrying a bag with some bread and a bowl with milk. But before I could even serve him, I dropped a small plastic bag near him. The dog, weak and desperate, rushed toward it, thinking it contained food. It was heartbreaking to watch. His hunger had pushed him to grab even an empty bag. This was the moment I realized just how helpless he really was. So I carefully tore the bread into pieces and placed them in the bowl, pouring milk over them slowly. As I did this, I kept looking at the dog, at his innocent eyes that kept shifting between fear and hope. At first, he did not know what to accept, but when I held the bowl close to him, he lowered his head and began to drink. That very first sip felt like a victory, not for me but for him. Finally, he had something to eat, something to calm his hunger. I sat close to him as he drank, watching him carefully. Every movement told a story. Sometimes he would pause, look up at me, and then continue drinking as if he understood I was not here to hurt him. I reached out to gently pat him, to let him know he was safe. His response was heartwarming. Despite his weakness, he allowed me to show affection. Meanwhile, life around us continued. Cars passed by, people walked along the roadside. Some glanced for a moment, others did not even care. No one stopped to think about this fragile soul sitting on the roadside. That's the reality for some many stray animals. They live and struggle right next to us, invisible in his plain sight. I removed his sticks. I clicked a few pictures and recorded some moments while sitting beside him because I wanted to remember this rescue not just for myself but to share it with others, to show that kindness costs nothing but it can change everything for a hungry animal. Minute by minute, as the dog continued to drink the milk and eat the bread, I could see the change in him. His movements slowed down, his eyes became calmer, and for the first time he looked a little less desperate. That transformation, even if temporary, was powerful. This dog was not just drinking milk, he was drinking hope, hope that maybe tomorrow will be a little kinder than today. This simple act reminded me of something very important. Animals do not need much from us, just a little compassion, a little food, and a safe moment of care. Thank you.